Our top story this morning, the United States began its biggest vaccination campaign on Monday as a nurse in New York received the first shot of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The U.S. hopes vaccines will be available to the general public by early next year. Our Seung-jae starts us off.
It's V-Day in the United States as the biggest vaccination campaign in the country's history began on Monday with the rollout of Pfizer and BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine. The first to receive the vaccine was an intensive care unit nurse in New York.
It was an emotional experience working on the front lines alongside my team. I saw a lot of pain, hurt, suffering, death, and so I felt a huge sense of relief after I got the vaccine. I was not nervous. So as I've mentioned before, I trust the science, so I had no hesitation when I was asked if I would take the vaccine. I've been waiting for this day for forever.
Lindsay, who has treated some of the sickest COVID-19 patients for months, stressed that despite the rollout, it's important to keep wearing face masks. Marking the start of the vaccination program, President Trump took to Twitter to congratulate not just the United States, but the world. Prior to the start of the vaccination program, President Trump reversed a White House directive to vaccinate top government officials while limiting the public distribution of the vaccines to frontline health workers and people in nursing homes and long-term care facilities. He added that people working in the White House should receive the vaccine somewhat later in the program unless specifically necessary. According to Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar on Monday, COVID-19 vaccines could be available to the general public by late February or early March. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla announced that the company is currently in negotiation with the U.S. government to provide an additional 100 million doses next year. The American drug maker already has a deal with the U.S. government to supply 100 million doses as part of Operation Warp Speed. Seung-jae, Arirang News.